thing 1 and thing 2. I never could get my image to do that little message about turning it into Microsoft Office or whatever it asked, but this is what I did learn. So, where is it? Thing 1 and thing 2. There they are. And so, as you can see, when I put the border around it, I'm not using the same word she did, and I go up to my picture tools, you can clearly see that my group button is grayed out right up here. So in her video, she talked about hitting the shift key. So I'm going to do shift and I'm going to hit each hat. That hat's already done, and then thing 1 and thing 2. And now when I release, you can see that my group button now is activated. So I'm going to go in and hit it and then go back up and go ungroup it. So now I can play around with it. I'm going to take this hat, go over here to color on top, and I'll make the first one green. And then I'm going to come back over here to this hat and I'll make it, how about yellow? And then their bodies is a group, so I'm going to click in there, and then we'll go to color and we'll do that one. How about blue? Is that okay? And there you have it. It does it. And then go back up to drawing tools. I think you have to go shift, 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 shift. You have to select it all. Picture, and then you can group it again, and then you're good. So that ought to keep it there. So hope that helps.